what happened was the other day, one of my clients asked me to make him a promo video. They had the logo made, and it was quite hard to try and find that logo. And then I was literally just messing around the other day trying to find a website. So I thought this would help so many people. So this is called My Fonts by Monotype. So let's start from here. So these are some random flyers. Okay. Let's go for this one here. This one looks quite cool. So I'm going to save this. Save image. Okay. From iStock event image. Okay, so we've got the event image. We're going to go back to My Fonts. Okay, so we're back. So we'll go to myfonts.com. So we've literally gone and got that really random event flyer. We're going to open here, open it up. It's identifying the text. We're going to go for the grand opening text. Let's click identify font. And there we go. It's not exactly the same, but it's very close. And obviously it helps you in rather than spending 3 hours trying to find the exact font. I would say that would nearly be bang on it. Wow, that one's quite cool. So there we go. So I'll take the font name and then I would go into Google, type your font name in. It's come up in here as, look for like thefont3.io. Click agree. And there's the font. You just click download, close. So there you go, guys. So back to the website again. You just click my fonts. You can go up here on the search bar. You drag and drop into the upload an image, and that's it. So that's my quick tutorial on how to find fonts if you have no idea what font they've used and you're trying to knock out some work. So yeah, I'm JK Flash. I'm JK Flash, and I'll see you in the next one.